flight control. So we're slightly on the left of the runway center line. Great, that's right. So you can keep your hand on the throttle as well. So after you flare, then you can pull back on the throttle, okay?
You can pull back with your wrist.
100.
Right.
50, 40, 30, 20, retard, retard, 10, drive, retard, 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 retard.
Great, we're on the runway, so use the rudder to steer it. Keep your hand on the throttle. You can engage the reverse thrust. Lift up the flaps. Flaps, yeah, that's right. Cool. So keep it on the center line. And so the aircraft slows down, so now you can just push it forward, disengage the thrust, yeah, put it back to idle thrust. Great, we're on the runway, okay, so we set the path right.